So this is a protective paper, and we put adhesive tape on one side. It will need two papers to wrap two sides of the roller. This is the printing roller. We show you step by step. Fold it into the roller inside. And we put some sticker on the top, so later we will pull the sticker out. It will easy to pull out when the tape is fixed with the paper. So this is the white socks, this is polished socks, and put on the roller. So make it straight and flat, like normal stretch, but not too over or too loose. So this is the toe part of the socks, which will be on the edge of the roller. This part will not be printed, but here it will be printed. And we measure the socks length 43. 43. Actually, we can make 45 centimeter. So 45 length of the socks, and not wrinkled socks, but not overstretched. So not struggle with 1 or 2 centimeter. Just pull the size you like to make the artwork work. So one side and the other side. Look, this heel part is like straight. It's straight. So when we're printing, open Photoshop. So this is size of the length, and this is the parameter. This parameter will be set when we setting the machine. It will never be changed of the parameter. 25.4 is from our printer. When you set up, there's a little difference, but not much difference. So this is your artwork. Make one design. We make left sock and right sock. This is left sock and this is right design. This length and this is the parameter of the roller. 25.4 is the parameter. So we pull these two designs in the Photoshop. Make sure this is the socks opening part. This is the toe part. So the toe part, and opening. You see the number? This is 4, 7. This is one sock, and this is 8, 12. It's another sock. So this is the design we have made ready for printing. TIFF, save as TIFF format. Yeah. So this is ready. Okay, so save to the memory card, and we'll go for printing. This is a photo print rip dongle, and this green one is print EXP dongle. So you will need to connect these two dongles and can run the printer. And this is a photo print. So wait. So this is the interface of the photo print. Some history tasks. So like when you open it, it's like totally new. And we add the model, add a device first. You see Colorido is our brand, and the sock printer, you need to select HS1201. Yes, HS1201. And yes. And it's a print depend on file, and there's another option, TCP/IP. It's direct print. File is a rip file, and then open print EXP to do the printing task. And we will do the file based on file. Finish. Okay, select OK. And then we take the file into the. So this is the file. This is the design we just made. Holding. Okay. So select ICC.
这是我们那个这是预设。
The preset and.
你可以删除，可以保留。
Here you can select delete or hold. Hold means after print the job, the task will show here. But if you delete, it will disappear here.
就可以。
Okay. Okay. So this is like a canvas area which we have designed here. Actually, we can turn it here. You see, this can be turned. You want to mirror side or like upside downside, but normally it's like laying down this direction. Yes. So this is ready for. We click send, and you can save it in any folder which you want to save. We save in desktop. Yes. And it's processing a RIP file. This processing depends on your computer, so take a few seconds. And normally this is a print EXP. You can save in the desktop, so you can open it easily because we have different models. So.
看，这是往桌面上放一个。
So you can put it in desktop. So when working, you just open it. Only one selection of the option. Yes. So open the print EXP. So after it will connect, you see, make sure every time open the software. So here is connected. So the printer and the software is online. And it detects the dongle, and now we open the file. So this file, yes. So this is don't need it's default one. Don't need to connect anything. And this is size of the artwork. You see 1.2 meters and 25.4. Is the parameter of the. Yeah, we select two heads, both heads printing. So that's it. Okay, go for printing. We test if test the size is if it's fit. Print on paper first, and then we print on socks. Normally, just after one test, you can go for production. Like every time it's the same. Just do one time. Just print a few lines to check if the laser which reflect to the roller, if it's correct position. We can stop because it's already have print out. You see, this is the area of the edge, so it's 45, which we said before the socks length. Okay, so also this part, yeah, here this is okay, and then we'll put another one. So there's a button control the roller. Yeah, here. So we make alignment on the socks. And we can turn the roller by in the software. There's arrow. So wait. This is the arrow which turns the roller up and down, forward and backward. So make sure the socks the wrong side is well aligned. if necessary, if you want print a special part of the socks, like one logo here, you can make another two roller here, another two laser here. So make a special position, always same. Yes, this is we test the height.
这个高度
Like see like 2 to 3 millimeter.
不会撞到。
The highest part, like a heel part, normally is higher than the socks
这只袜
other
子
side, other part of socks. So we see if it's it will scratch the nozzle surface, because if scratch nozzle surface, maybe it will make the print head clogged. So it's better to check, especially the cuff side and the heel side. So make sure those two sides are higher position, not scratch the nozzle surface. So this is two-head machine. And also here, do the same. We already done. So we show you. Okay, so we click print. So this is printing, and after it's done, we just put a roller below the machine, and we replace another 2 or 3 rollers. With the machine, that's normal 3 rollers. So when one is printing, your operator could put socks on the other 2 sides roller. So the operation will be save some time. So the process is done. And for protective paper, you don't have to replace every pair of socks, because as long as it's not so much ink, not dirty on the socks, on the paper, so you don't have to replace. Yeah, and just put it there and replace another roller. So this one pair is done, and just click print for next pair. Also, as operator needed to align the socks about the height, because every socks is same, so you have to don't need to do again. Just make alignment on the socks curve and stretch it flat. And make sure the printer working environment is like about 20 degree to 30 degree, and also we have humidity here, so like 40 to 60% of humidity. Actually today is a bit cold. Now the working environment is only 10. So take off socks. It's easy to pull out because there's a sticker here. So another one, just pull out, not touch the socks surface because it's wet. So this can be reused for next pair. And we see there's already some ink on the edge. So next time when you put on the other pair, you just pull to that part and stop and make alignment in the machine. So that's it. And later there's the heating process. The color doesn't look very bright until it gets heated. The color will show out. Okay, so this is a heater, and we hook socks in, 2 socks together. Yeah. There's a conveyor inside, so yeah, all the kind. You see, turning. Okay, 4 pieces together. Because only 4 socks, so we just use small heater and close the gate. It's 100. It should be 180, about 880 to 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
太冷了。
So the time it will be
是弹性的，不是固定的。
the time of 3 to 4 minutes it will be depends on your socks. So this is the first generation of the heater, because the door can be open and closed. When the door open, the heat will drop a lot. That's why we have developed this one. And this is the second generation heater. And we see the conveyor is outside. So normally at present customer buy this heater, you will have this heater, and we just hook socks here, and it will automatically turn into the heater. And because we have speed control here, so after it turn out, the socks is heated, because we can set the speed from 0 to 50. It's a speed data. You can measure if your socks can be heated in 3 minutes, or more than 3 minutes, or 4 minutes. So after just one round turning, hook socks here just printed, and it will automatically go inside. And when it go out, the socks is heated, and it's finished the product. So we have the panel can be moved up and down. So there's different lengths of the socks. So if your socks is shorter, you can move up here. But if it's longer, you can move down. So it depends on your socks. We put exhaust equipment on the top. So when heating, sometimes it will create some smokes. So expel the smoke out. So this is a heater. We have connected the power cable on the top, and also green and yellow. It's ground wire. The green one is set temperature, and the top red one is actual temperature. So 180. Sometimes when we open the door, the temperature will drop like 4 or 5 degrees, but it's not a big problem. But it's better to make it stable. But this bigger one has stable temperature, because when we heating up, the panel will move up. It has less space, makes the air in. So so it heat up quickly, and we finish here. Okay, so this is you see a little smoke here. So this is just printed. See details.